I'm back, and today I'm giving you an easy breezy lash tutorial. If you are a woman or a woman over 50, I know how hard it is to get those lashes on. Man, I struggle day after day. I got some tools or some hacks that will really make this easier for you. I'm not going to say that you're going to get it in one try because you might not. It may take a couple of applications for you to get this right. But what I can say is practice makes perfect. Today, I have my makeup on, so I have my concealer. If you are new to this channel, I'm Keisha Taylor. I've been a brow artist and esthetician for over 20 years. I own a beauty business, a training academy, and so much more. But today, it's not about me, it's about you, and it's about helping you reinvent your 50s through beauty routines, skincare routines, easy tips and hacks and tricks. Because at this point in my life, I want things to be easy. And I don't do overcomplicated makeup. I use a few things and that's it. And so I'm here to share with you some products and some tools and things that I do to make my life easier because over 50 or 50 and beyond, us mature ladies, we don't have time to sit around and put on our makeup all day. Okay, 15 minutes tops. And that's too long. That's too long for me. I get real antsy. I'm always rushing and running and trying to do something and get on a call here and send out this email and make sure that I'm on time with so much more other things. I want my makeup routine to be extremely simple. But today I'm going to do lashes. And lashes is one of those things where lashes make everybody look beautiful. I don't care who you are. If you got a nice set of lashes and a nice set of brows, you are covered. Today, let's get this lash routine started. It's 3 tools that I use to make sure that my lash application is seamless. And this is beginner friendly. If you do any kind of makeup or not, you have these tools laying around your house. I use a pair of tweezers. I use scissors to cut the lashes because sometimes the lash strip is too long for my eyes and I have to cut them. And then I have a hair clip. I know she probably looking, but my stylist gave this to me and she gave it to me to keep my hair in 10 curls, but I secretly use this as a hack to put on my lashes. And I'll tell you why when I get started. It's a hair clip, so it clips your hair back just like this. I'm gonna be using it to put the lash strip on, and that's my hack. So today I have on no liner. I wanted to show you beginner friendly without liner, but I typically put my lashes on with liner because the liner guides me to put my lashes on right. So if I mess up in this tutorial, you're gonna see it all. I'm not gonna edit it. I'm not gonna cover it up because I normally don't put my lash strip on without the liner because the liner I use as a ruler, as a guide to apply my lashes. Today, I'm going to be using the Kiss Muses collection lashes in Supreme. So this is how they look, and I'm excited to use these. I use these on my lashes twice, once for my birthday and then once for Halloween. I know it sounds crazy, but these are the perfect everyday lashes for me. Now, the job I do, like I said, I'm a brow artist and I own a brow salon. So we wear all black, like you see me today. I'm actually in the classroom. This is where we hold our classes. And this is where I do my YouTube videos when I don't have any training classes going on. We wear all black and we got to get a little bit of glam. I mean, sometimes I have my days where I don't really care about putting on brow makeup or anything else, but I pretty much always put on concealer, okay? Always, always, always. One day I will show you what these under eye circles look like when I do my skincare routine, but I don't leave the house without under eye concealer. And I use concealer, like I said, I put it on my face. I don't use foundation. I just use the leftover concealer that's on the beauty blender and just buff it out on my face. I always wear a lip gloss, whether that be a lip liner or not. And that's it. But I do have my sweatsuit days, my gym days where I'm not wearing nothing. I'm not doing my hair. I'm not doing my makeup. I'm just living that slow life. But when I'm at work, I'm typically glammed up. I work at the salon 3 days per week. And I try not to come in here busted up. I ask the employees to make sure that they wear all black and making sure that they look glam. So I try to come in and look glam as well. You're a leader and you want people to follow you. You don't want to tell people to come in looking glam and then you looking all crazy. I love beauty. I love getting dressed up. I love doing beauty routines. And I love sharing my tips and tricks, especially for women over 50. My clients, they always asking me, what do I use on my skin? How do I do my brows? What lashes I'm using? What I'm eating? What I'm doing for my fitness routine? And I've always kept it like, not a secret, but exclusive to my clients. But now I'm new here on YouTube and I'm going to share it with you as if you are my clients because you are my community. And I think it's important for mature women, women over 50. Don't count us out. Don't count us out because I've seen these ladies over 50 on YouTube and they're doing the damn thing and they look good doing it. And they inspired me to come on here and do it too. Why hide when you can just show up? So let's get started. Now I have the Muses Collection Lashes by Kiss. Here you go, right here. So got some little drama in them. And I'm going to be using the Kiss Lash Glue. I love this lash glue. I left mine at home, so I had to go out and get a new one so that I can do this tutorial for you. One thing I like about this lash glue is it doesn't have formaldehyde in it. Ladies, check the ingredients, okay? Because you are putting it near your eyes, so you want to make sure that you don't have anything harmful that can get into your eyes. All right, so we're going to get started. Again, the tools I'm going to be using today will be tweezers, scissors, and that infamous hair clip that my stylist gave to me that I'm using for this lash tutorial today. When you take the lashes out of the package, you want to turn them away from you. So this side will go on your right brow and this side will go on your left brow. If you are super duper confused about it, some do say right, some lashes say right, and some lashes say left. But the ones that don't, like this one, you want to make sure that the inner corners are shorter, but sometimes the outer corners are shorter too. Just double check and turn them away from you. Okay, so when they're like this, that's wrong. When they're like this, then one is left, one is right, and then you can get started. The second thing, you want to be careful taking the strip off of this panel. You want to just slowly lift the end corners of it because you could ruin the lashes if you pull it off too quick. Take your tweezers and just slowly remove the lashes and then just grab them with your finger like this and tear off slowly. Now you want to fit your eyes. So you want to make sure that this lash can fit your eyes. So I'm going to get closer. And of course, one of my eyes is bigger or longer than the other. You know, that whole proportional thing. We're not even going to get started with that. But I do stretch my skin and I just place the lashes right on the lash line, okay, to where I want them, and making sure that it fits my eye shape. And this one does. I like this one. I like these lashes because I don't have to cut them. Some you do have to cut. And if you do have to cut, just snip a little, just a little bit from the ends, okay? So I'm just going to snip just a little bit just so you can see that I cut the lashes, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm done with the tweezer when I do that. Now I'm gonna use this hair clip because this is my trick, and I'm gonna put the whole lash like this in the hair clip. And the reason why I do this is because the whole lash fits and I don't have to do it in parts when I put the tweezer on. I mean, my eyes are just not curved like that. Okay. So this will save you some time. You see how I'm holding this full strip and it's not going to lift when I place it on my eyes. Now I'm going to apply the Kiss Lash Glue and it comes on white, but it dries clear. And just make sure that you don't get the lash glue on your clip because your lashes will stick to it. And once you pull it off your eyes, it'll come off with it. So put in the lash glue right here on the strip. Make sure it's not too much, but enough. I make sure that I put a little bit extra on the inner corners and the outer corners. So if the wind blow or something, those lashes are not coming off. You want it to get just a little bit more tacky, and you can do this just by swinging it back and forth so some air can get to it. All right, y'all. Wish me luck because I'm applying this without my liner. Okay. All right. So when I start to put it on, I don't get it really close to the inner corner. Some people do, some people like it that way. I prefer not to do it that way because I'll just deal with my actual natural hair. I'm stretching my eyes, okay? And I am looking down a little bit and I'm making sure that I hit the ends first and I'm pressing this in and I'm gonna let go. The lash is on there, y'all. See, it's on there. I don't have to pick with it. And then I take the point and I just press it in. Be careful. Do not stab yourself in the eyes. Inner corner may need a little bit work. So just take your nail, press it in. Like I said, get close to the lash line. And I just do a little finger up so I can flip the lashes up a little bit. Making sure I'm pressing it. Pushing it down just a little bit with my nail. And there you go. Those lashes are on. I miss my liner. I so miss my liner, y'all. But they're on. I like them. I'm going to let them just dry a little bit, making sure that it's nice and sticking. And when one side is easy like that, you best believe that the other side is not going to be easy. Now we can get to the other side. And so again, I'm going to pull it off slowly with my tweezers. I'm going to start from the outer corner just in case it rips. I have ripped it before. Slowly, slowly. And then I'm just going to take my hand and take them off. I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side, taking the clip, making sure that the clip is cleaned off because, I did press the point into the glue. So making sure that the clip is cleaned off. Now, I know that these are going to fit because the other side fits. I'm getting ready to get started on this side. Again, this side is a little awkward. The right side, I'm right-handed. So, of course, that side is the easiest side. Again, making sure that the lashes is in the actual clip. Okay. The hair clip, the infamous hair clip. No need for lash tools. Just use your hair clip. Putting the Kiss lash glue right here on top of that adhesive line. Make sure that you get enough. Like I said, I make sure that I get the beginning and the ends. I put like just a little bit more. Make sure that it's nice and evenly coated. As you can see, it's white when you put it on, but it is clear when it dries. Give it a swing, just like that. All right, y'all. Y'all ready for this? Like I said, I always have my liner as a guide, but today I don't. So I am going to be stretching my eyes. Some people look down. I'm going to be stretching my eyes and I am going to fit it right over where I want it, close to the lash line. And I'm just pressing in and I'm going to let go. And I'm just going to press in a little bit more. And I'm just going to take the clip and just push it in. See, I knew this one was going to act up. I felt it. I'm going to adjust it just a little bit. But at least it didn't come off. That's all I'm saying. Making sure I lift a little bit. Woo! And there it is. They're on. They didn't fall off, y'all. I'm so glad. I would have been so embarrassed. And I would have had that. No, I wouldn't have edited it out because honestly, at this point in my life, hey, you make mistakes. This is a real tutorial. I'm not going to be sitting up here trying to be perfect for y'all. Like I said, this is for you to have a easy way of getting glammed up, especially for my mature ladies over 50, like me. I'm 50. And we don't need to do too much to stay natural. Actually, I'm glad that I didn't put on my liner so that you can see how this looks natural and it's an everyday look. Like you can wear this look to work if you own a business, you can be that boss that you are. This is a good date night lash, a good girls day out, girls night out, happy hour lash. The lashes is called Supreme, but go check out Kiss lash collection. It's a few lashes in their collection that I really love, but this one is called Supreme and it's their Lash Couture, the Muses collection. And go check it out. And also check out the Kiss Lash Glue. I swear by this. My daughter had got me using this. At first, I used to like go and use hers all the time. And I'm like, but then hers had like a lot of stickiness up here. I'm like, oh no, I got to get my own glue. So I have my glue from her too. I feel like a lot of people use other glues, but this glue is a nice strong hold. And like I said, it is formaldehyde free. And that's important when you're putting something so near and dear to your eyes. Now, if you want more of a dramatic look, you can always take some mascara, which I'm not, but you can always just take a little bit of mascara and apply it to your lashes, just a little bit. Just tap them just a little bit if you want just a little bit of drama. And if you want to keep it nice and neutral, you can, and you can just leave it like this. If you want to add some bottom mascara, you can just do a little bit, as you know. If you want a more dramatic look, then you could just put a little bit more. Other than that, I'm all done and completed. I hope this tutorial was easy for you. I really do like these lashes with no liner, y'all. But I love my liner. I love my dramatics. I feel like these lashes are the perfect go-to for anything that you have to do. So go check it out and I'll see you on the next video. Now, if you have questions about how I do my brows, check out this video here and you'll have a brow tutorial to check out. If you want to check out some things that I have in a link, like maybe the lip gloss that I use, some of the things that I use, I do put the links down below so that you'll have that. Until the next time, I'll see you later. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow this channel, ladies. Let's reinvent the 50s together. Follow my journey. I want to follow your journey. I want to be supportive to you and make sure that I'm giving you the beauty tips and tricks. Oh, and nutrition. So we ain't even getting into that yet. But I have a whole lot for you. So make sure you click that subscribe button and follow. Bye.